Hey guys, just really wanted to thank Signia for sending these out. So they've sent me a number of things. They've sent me the streamlined mic, a number of tips, even the programmer. That's awesome. And they've sent me 2 different hearing aids. So first of all, on this side we have the brand new Syletto X. Comes in this Apple AirPod Pro-esque case, which is absolutely awesome. If you want a device with a great charging case, which holds a charge, has USB-C charging, this is a fantastic option. They're also looking super sleek, and they have pretty strong magnets, so they don't come out. Because you definitely don't want your hearing aids to drop out when you're not using them. So this is awesome. This is the Signia Silk. They are a pretty special pair of hearing aids. These are a off-the-shelf in-the-ear device. And unlike the Syletto X's, which run off rechargeable batteries, these ones use the traditional button cell batteries, which are alright because these also last about a week, which is awesome. So I'm just currently opening up the Streamline mic. So this is a Streamline mic, but if you want to connect with an Android phone like a Samsung or a computer, you'd be looking at using the Streamline mic. So I really just wanted to thank Signia and the people at Sivantos for sending these out to me. Really appreciate it. I'm excited to try out the brand new Syletto X's, which came out a few weeks ago, as well as the Silk X. I think they are doing something really unique and are providing really unique form factors which nobody else is doing. And I'm excited to compare these to what else is on the market, including Widex's offerings and Starkey's offering. Click on the previous video to see what Starkey is doing. I just did a review of the Livio Edge AI, so I'm really excited to check these out, compare them with what else is on the market, and let you know which pair of hearing aids would suit you best.